Hey everybody, Daniel Kruger here from DNA Media Innovation, and I want to welcome you to our review of this fantastic training program called YouTube Ads Formula. Now, YouTube Ad Formula is all about running your own ads, and it teaches you about running ads on YouTube. It was developed by Ryan Shaw, and for those people that do not know about Ryan Shaw yet, Ryan is really a subject matter expert on YouTube, and he knows everything about YouTube ads. So let's listen to what Ryan has to say about YouTube Ads Formula.
Hi guys, it's Ryan Shaw here, and I wanted to introduce you to a new program we have called YouTube Ads Formula. Now, the reason I'm putting this together right now in 2019 is because I believe this is the #1 way on actually getting results fast online. So you can make money, $100 a day in many different ways, let's be honest. But I'm always looking for what's hot, what's working right now, and where I see the trends going with online marketing. And frankly, that's with video, right? So you don't have to be necessarily on camera like I am right here, but you do need to get involved with creating video in some way or another. That's why I highly recommend getting involved with YouTube. It's the #1 platform on the internet. It's currently growing at leaps and bounds, and it's getting so popular that it could even replace not only TV, but even Netflix is finding it hard to find a profit here in 2019. In fact, I believe that over the next few years, we're going to be seeing a very sharp decline in all types of video that's not user-generated content. People are looking for really specific niche content. And by doing that, they're also looking for products, right? So imagine being able to place your product or an affiliate offer, CPA offer, Amazon products, your own e-commerce store, your own info products, coaching courses, you name it, services, right in front of your exact audience that you need to get in front of. Can you even do that with Facebook ads? Well, you can at a high premium, but with YouTube ads right now, not only have the costs actually decreased last year by around 80%, have increased by around 220% in 2019. So this means there's a huge opportunity right now with YouTube and getting more success if you're struggling with other ad platforms, or perhaps you're just not getting the amount of traffic you like with free traffic methods. So what we're going to do is we're going to break down and teach you on how to sell on YouTube ads effectively across many different products and niches and actually get results fast. That means if you have a product or if you have an affiliate offer and you want to make $100 a day, I believe that you can get there within the next 30 days by using the methods that we teach here in this new program called YouTube Ads Formula. So this is something we've been doing for many years, but the past 2 years we've been focusing specifically on YouTube, getting results for our clients, but also getting results for our own products. In many cases, I've gotten an ROI of 2x, 3x, and 4x, and this seems to be true across the board. You put $100 in, you want to get $200 out, $300 out. You know, that's not a crazy number, but it does add up over time. So let's just say you're spending $100 a day right now with YouTube ads, and you're making $200 a day. You're currently making $100 a day, and it's actually a very easy process. So we're going to show you some cool stuff on how to manipulate the YouTube ads platform to get you the best results, going after the target markets that are really laser targeted. I mean, we're talking about if people are looking for wedding planners, you can target specific videos, specific channels, and do this really quickly. So we're going to show you how to do that, how we do it using specific software and our techniques on getting the most success and getting the highest ROIs that cannot even be seen across the board with other platforms such as Facebook ads. So I'm excited to share this with you. We had over 3,000 students in our previous YouTube ads course for local, but this one will be completely on how to dominate any niche with YouTube ads. I look forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Click down for more information, and we'll see you there.
Hey guys, welcome back. Now, with more than 1.3 billion people using the YouTube, that makes YouTube the second largest search engine in the world. and it's a perfect platform to use YouTube ads to for targeted buyer traffic. YouTube ads can be used for promoting your local business. It can be used for getting traffic to your website or webinars, and it can be used for stuff like getting traffic to your e-commerce sites if you're a person that makes your money off e-commerce. It consists of a set of very clear videos. It's easy to watch. It's really simple language, and it's all of these videos are in a step-by-step systematic approach. It's really awesome put together. Ryan's really done an excellent job of putting this together. Now, this program, you would expect to pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a program like this. But folks, you can get it here today at $17. That's right, $17. And at the bottom of this video, there's a link in the description box which will take you to the sales page, where you will find links to go through, the checkout process and buy your copy of this. So this is really, if you want to learn about video ads and if you want to really promote and grow your business, then this is a perfect opportunity at $17. I don't think you'll ever get an opportunity like this again. So let's run through this page. This is the members only exclusive page, where you will get access to this page once you've purchased your copy of the training program. And let's run through all the items on this page. So just briefly, this is your watch first, your welcome video, where Ryan will welcome you to the program, and he will tell you a little bit of what you can expect and how to use this program. Excellent introduction video. Then we move on to video ads for beginners, a tutorial, 2 videos. I've watched this, guys. This is great. It's very simple, but it's very detailed as well, and it's a great start for anyone that's new to this, including myself, and really awesome. So then the next one is taking you through to your Adwords account. It helps you to set up Adwords, and really, once again, step-by-step guidance on how to do this. It's excellent. Then the core training on the YouTube ads formula done by Ryan. Another awesome video to watch, where Ryan will take you through the real nuts and bolts stuff of the YouTube ad formula. Then the next one we have in the program is the 4 elements to create perfect video ads. It's another really jam-packed video with a lot of helpful information on how to make these video ads. The next one we have is 5 reasons why YouTube ads fails. It's awesome in the sense that it teaches you about the pitfalls and where people make very common mistakes and why their YouTube ads fail. And this is a very informative video. The next one, we spoke a little bit about auto webinars or webinars. This is a video that teaches you about running your YouTube ads to auto webinars. A lot of people make a lot of good money on this method and using this. The next one we spoke about e-commerce. There's a lot of people that make good money off the e-commerce on their sites, and these are 2 videos that will take you through how YouTube ads can be used to not only get traffic to your e-commerce sites, but also how to earn money through these video ads. Then brilliant videos. Neil Patel doesn't need any introduction, and there's some really gems in these 2 videos from Neil. Make sure that you watch them. YouTube ads with Justin Sardi. Justin is also really very knowledgeable and excellent video. YouTube ads with Billie Jean. Ty Lopez, another big name in this game. YouTube ads with Tom Breeze. So these videos are all showing you how some of the big names and the guys that's really making money with YouTube ads, how they do that. And then there's some bonuses, guys. We've spoken a little bit about the bonuses. Ryan and the developers have given us two really good bonuses. The YouTube ads Rolodex. Guys, when you open this thing, it's mind-blowing. There is just an awesome amount of information in here with mail scripts and all kinds of things. It's just so valuable. And then the last one of the bonuses is to grab some vouchers where you can get your first $100 ad spent absolutely free. When you click on this button, it will take you through the whole process, and great bonus, you basically get to spend your first $100 on advertising without paying a cent. So when you go down, there's some upgrades. Once you've done this, or if you've purchased this the YouTube ads formula, you are also able to go and look at these upgrades in here, and there's some links to join the Facebook groups or to subscribe to the YouTube channels. I've done that, and it's absolutely fantastic information that comes off these channels and platforms like Facebook, the social media stuff. The guys have really done their homework well. Then there's some recommended products, Tube Sift, YouTube Ad Secrets, Video Marketing Blaster, and then some of the other programs that Ryan wrote. So guys, that's in a nutshell, taking you through the members page. So if you want to learn about YouTube ads, I really recommend that you grab this offer at $17. It's just a fantastic offer. And if you want more advanced programs, then they are here. The upsells are here, and you can have a look at that as well. Everything you want to learn about YouTube ads and how to drive traffic to your sites or your services and products. This is it, guys. This is a fantastic training program. I cannot reiterate it more, enough. I really think this is worth every cent, and much more than the $17 that you charged for this. So this is it for the review. Please click the link below this video to go to the sales page, where you will have the opportunity of buying this training program. And please remember to subscribe to our channel. It's growing slowly but surely. And also follow our social media links, which will be provided in the description box underneath the video. So until next time, thank you again for watching, and have a great weekend.